I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. Okay, for months now, my social media news feeds have been filled with ads for HEXCLAD cookware. The more I saw and the more I researched, the more I wanted some of these pans. Number one reason is that the cookware that I have currently cannot go into the dishwasher. So at the end of the evening, the dishwasher's running, the kitchen is cleaned, with the exception of a sink full of dirty pots and pans that I need to wash by hand. Now, HexClad is not inexpensive. I could not afford the entire set right now. But what I really wanted and really needed the most was the skillet set. So what I'm going to show you today is the 6-piece skillet set. That's going to be 3 skillets and 3 lids. And then I also purchased a little bonus, which was the griddle. So my package has finally arrived. Let's dive into it and see what we've got. This was beautifully packaged. You can see the little HexClad emblem on the front and down here. And when we open up the box, there's a nice little welcome. The first thing I'm going to see when I get inside here is how to activate my lifetime warranty. This is one of the selling points of this cookware. So you definitely want to get that registered as soon as possible. The reason this cookware is labeled hybrid: it's supposed to have the benefits of non-stick, cast iron, and stainless steel. It also says that it's oven safe up to 500 degrees, dishwasher safe, and it can be cleaned with steel wool. Also, the cookware is stackable. I love the way that this is packaged. Here's a lid for the 12-inch, a lid for the 8-inch, and a lid for the 10-inch. Each lid is packed super well. These are very heavy and very sturdy feeling. Now the pans themselves. Look at this. They're packaged in a nice little cover. And voila. Guys, this pan is super heavy. It's actually almost as heavy as a cast iron skillet. I don't know what I'm going to do with these, but I'm sure I can find some way to upcycle them. Once again, we have an 8-inch, a 10-inch, and a 12-inch skillet. Lids for all 3. Now, here's something that kind of took me off guard. When I ordered this and I opted for the optional griddle, it said that these items would be shipped separately. So I kept waiting and waiting for the griddle. Then I realized it was actually in with the pots and pans. Look at that, that's a beautiful griddle. I'm gonna be able to make lots of pancakes, lots of crepes, and lots of grilled cheese sandwiches with this guy. And like the others, this is super, super heavy. There's a note inside this box that says before you begin cooking, you should season this cookware. This is a hybrid pan and it will perform better and better over time as it's seasoned, just like a cast iron skillet. This QR code is probably going to take me to the video to show me how to season. I definitely want to include using the pans in my review video. So I'm going to go watch the instructional video and see what I need to do to get these seasoned. The HexClad seasoning process was very simple. After that, I was ready to cook. My first endeavor was a fried egg. I did use a little bit of cooking oil in this, but look how this egg is moving around the skillet. Not sticking whatsoever. The egg was perfect, and honestly, this skillet could just be wiped out with a paper towel and used again tomorrow. Guys, I'm excited. Fast forward to the next few weeks. After that first egg, I never looked back. I've been using these pans every single day. The stainless steel feature is going to give you searing power. And the combination of the stainless steel with cast iron means these are durable, oven safe, and you can use metal utensils when cooking. The non-stick feature means you can make pancakes without using any oil on your griddle. They don't stick, they cook evenly, and they come out perfectly. I'm really glad I added the griddle to my order. The hybrid pattern on these pans allows heat to distribute faster, so you may need to adjust your heat accordingly. A medium might be more like a medium high, so start out a little bit lower than normal and you can always increase if needed. I've got a great sear on this sausage, add a little syrup, and we've got a lovely breakfast. Now let's talk about cleanup, since that was my #1 reason for purchasing. After numerous trips through the dishwasher, my pans still look absolutely brand new. Although they are so easy to clean, sometimes I'm able to just wipe them out with a paper towel or use a tiny bit of soap and water in the sink. It's nice to have options, but either way, these pans come out looking brand new every time. You're going to see me using these pans in my videos in the future, so I'll keep you updated as time goes on about how well I like them. The commercials claim this is the last set of cookware you're ever going to have to buy. I really hope that's the case, but even if it's not, I feel like I'm going to get a lot of years out of this set. I'm going to give these pans 2 thumbs up. I'm going to be back again with you real soon. In the meantime, turn off the TV, turn on some music, and just keep jamming.